asking Him to guide and protect me through these troubled days. This world is evil, mankind still stuck in their ways, and the riches keep their wealth while the poor man struggles every single day. They select, plot and victimize, keeping poor people on the shelf. The government should protect us, we pay our taxes for their help. They pretend they care about us, but deep inside they only think of self. Most people have no clue about the dirty games they play. These world leaders are the real gangsters, manipulating us every day. They do their dirt, hide their hands, acting like they're clean and true, but this has been going on for ages. Nothing they're doing is new, so open your mind and pay attention. The leaders are not your friend, they're killing us slowly every day with the food that they recommend. Plant and farm, stay out the supermarket. The money that you use to buy their food is what's gonna put you in your casket. Plant and farm, stay out the supermarket. Grow your own food, feed your family. That's the only way we're gonna make it. Look at the food that we're eating, everything contaminated. Why are so many dying from cancer? Most of it is food related. They poison the soil and poison the crops, then stock every shelf at the store, killing off the poor and everyone else who can't afford anything more. They look the other way while people suffer. Pharmaceutical companies cash in. The sicker we get, the richer they grow, and the cycle never ends. I've seen people eat healthy, exercise every day of their life, still cancer came and took them. Something about that's not right. We cry for help, but they turn their heads and walk away. So if we want a better future, we must listen to what I say. Plant and farm, stay out the supermarket. The money that you use to buy their food is what's gonna put you in your casket. Plant and farm, stay out the supermarket. Grow your own food, feed your children.